Hello, welcome to Spy Money. We're going to do a webinar tonight. Yes, free webinar. How you get to it is you go to our website, and whenever you go to our website, I will show you right here. You go in here, you click on this link. When you click on that link, it will open up another page. You put your first, last name, email address, you register, and then it will check. You go check your email, and you'll get a link to get in there. What we're going to be talking about is the shaker. So if I come in here, look at the shaker, and right here it is. This is the big guy right here. Works on volatility. It's not your typical indicator like a moving average or anything like that. This one is straight volatility. Does a really good job, and it's got profit targets on it. So let's talk about the profit targets and how it works. So this is on ES today, and we're working on a bot right now. And this bot is going to be auto trading it. So not only do we have the indicator, we'll have the bot possibly released this weekend. Got a couple little minor changes got to make on it. And then once we get that, then I'll include it into the SpyBot lease program. So instead of sitting there hunting for the entries and waiting and this and that, this will just do it for you. And then you can either let it run or you can manage your stops and profit targets and so forth. But I found this today. This was this afternoon. Didn't cherry pick it or anything. It's just the place I pulled up. And this is on ES today. So trading ES, a lot of people that lease SpyBot and also in my trading group in the Discord always talk about they'd like to make $1,000 a day. This is 4 trades, 1,000. They're $250 per trade, 1 contract, and that's what you would have made. So, if you were using the bot, of course, like I said, it's not available yet, but it will be by the first of next week. It'll definitely be out. So this one right here would have made that. Now, what we're going to talk about tonight is how this indicator will work and how you would use it. So if you are interested in learning more about how you can make some more money, possibly, if you trade it right and trade it according to the rules, so you should do pretty good. A lot of people in our Discord have already bought it. A lot of people not even in there have, and I just keep getting rave reviews about how much money that they have made with it. Yes, you'll have a bad trade occasionally, and that's to be expected with anything you do. But for the most part, this one takes really good trades. It does very well. If you use this, especially with any kind of an indicator like a Ranger, if you use Ranger indicator on this, then it will actually show the levels and potentially make you some more money doing it that way. So using the shaker with the Ranger is what I recommend, and we're going to go over that tonight and talk about it and show you how it works and all that. So please join if you're interested. Again, I'll show you that website again. It's spymoneyllc.com. When you go there, just click on up here at the webinar. Click on this webinar link, and then right there's your link, and it will get you in there. So this will actually help you learn more about how to use the shaker indicator. Probably an indicator you would want to add to your tool library in your NinjaTrader. Let me know how I can help, and again, if you got any questions for me, I didn't show you this, but as always, I've got a contact page here. You click on that contact. I'm the one that answers all these emails, so you put your name. If you need to talk to me, put your phone number and a good time to talk to you. Be more than happy to work with you. I talk on the phone all day long to people, helping people out. Sometimes they don't buy anything. That's fine. Sometimes I'll spend time with them just talking to them and to at least answer some questions for them that they may have. But for the most part, most people usually end up either leasing the bot or buying one of the indicators. But not everybody does, and that's okay. We're here to help. Always join our Discord. How do you join our Discord? If you click on this right here, click on that, and it should open up this page here. Click our disclaimer button. It says that we don't guarantee any kind of trades or anything. We're not a call-out service or anything like that. We discuss our trades in there, and we discuss a lot of things. But you click on this, you click on Start Your Membership. It's 100% free. Don't cost you a dime. Come in there, enjoy it. As long as you're not drama, you will stay there. When you create drama, we kick you out. We do not allow drama. So if you're a drama queen or something, just don't even come in there. But if you're there to trade, there to learn, give out your input of maybe where you think the levels are, what you think NQ or ES or RTY gold, whatever you trade, is going to. We love the input. It helps everybody. We're there as a team to grow together. And if there's anything I can do to show you about any of our products, we also have two funded accounts that we recommend. We have Apex and we have UProfit. Have a little cheat sheet here to give some examples of the difference between the two. If you got any questions about that, you're more than welcome to ask me. Both of them are good companies. It's just a matter of which one you want. We also have a 50% coupon on Apex and a 40% coupon on UProfit. So if you're looking to do this, then use the coupon and get it cheaper. This coupon expires the end of this month. There's only 3 more days. This one's the end of March. So between the two, there are some differences. They're both good accounts. It's just a matter of what your goals are. If your short-term goal, you profit. If you're wanting to trade a long-term funding, then Apex is usually your better one. They take less money. But if you're just looking to find some fast start money to get to where you can fund your account, I recommend the UProfit. So they both work really well, though. Good companies, both of them. Both of them pay out. I don't really have anything bad to say about them necessarily. They both work really good. Click on these logos that will take you to those pages and use these coupons so that you can save some money. So let me know if you have any questions. I hope to see you tonight. It's going to be 8 o'clock p.m. sharp. That's Eastern Standard Time. I live on the East Coast. So it'll be 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. And it's on Friday. And I hope to see you there. Have a great day.